In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use multi-cursor editing in Cursor to speed up your workflow and edit code like a pro. First, open your file in Cursor. To add multiple cursors, hold down Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. Then click anywhere you want to place additional cursors. You can now type in multiple places at the same time. Another quick method is using Control plus Alt plus down arrow on Windows or CMD plus Option plus down arrow on Mac to add cursors vertically. This is perfect for editing multiple lines at once. You can also select a word, then press Control plus D or CMD plus D repeatedly to select the next matching word and place another cursor there. This is great for renaming variables or repeating edits. If you want to select all matches at once, press Control plus Shift plus L or CMD plus Shift plus L, and Cursor will highlight every occurrence so you can edit them simultaneously. Multi-cursor editing saves tons of time and makes repetitive changes effortless. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.